Hello and welcome to Mobile Statistics Professor Android application. This application covers college and MBA level statistics. Key functionalities of this application are ANOVA, beta function, calculator, covariance, effect size, error functions, gamma function, probability, regression, solver, and summary statistics. Let's take a look at each of them in detail. ANOVA covers inter-class correlation for ANOVA, one-way ANOVA from summary, one-way ANOVA from detail, one-way ANOVA from a file. One inter-class correlation for ANOVA, say between group mean square, within group mean square, and subject in each group. We entered all that, and now this is the inter-class correlation. One-way ANOVA from summary. We can actually enter the summary data, and this is one. Next is this is another group, and then we calculate the one-way ANOVA from summary. One-way ANOVA from detail. Here, what we do is we enter the data for the various groups. So this is one we added. We added one more. Added two more. So this is the first group. So another group is this. Okay, this is the second group, and now let us add the third group. Okay, we added three groups. Now we calculate one-way ANOVA from detail. So now one-way ANOVA from file. Tab delimited files with each row containing data in various groups can be uploaded to the SD card, and that data file can be supplied, and the application will process it. So we have uploaded a file called ANOVA.txt, and here is the result. So we covered ANOVA. Beta function. This portion covers beta function, incomplete beta function, regularized incomplete beta function. So beta function, let's say 0.4 and 5. So this is the beta function. So incomplete beta function, say 7, 8, sorry, 8, and this is 0.7. Okay, so this is the incomplete beta function. Regularized incomplete beta function. So 1, 3, and 0.5, 4. So this is the regularized incomplete beta function. So now this application contains a fully functional infix calculator. Covariance and correlation. Covariance and correlation from detail. So like our earlier case, we're going to add some points. This is one point. This is a row. We added another point. Another point, and this is a second row. So now we added third point, and then okay, and this is the. So now we calculate the covariance and correlation. Covariance and correlation from a file. So we entered a data file called covariance.txt, then we press return, press the submit button here, calculate button here, and then that calculates covariance and correlation from file. In the data file, we can have multiple rows, and each row can have columns, but the columns need to be tab delimited. So each row represents one group, and each column represents a data point. So covariance value from correlation, say 0.7, this is 0.6, this is 0.4, this is the covariance. And correlation from covariance. So this is covariance, this is standard deviation, and we'll find out the correlation. Okay. Okay. And significance of correlation, 0.7, sample size is 5. So this is the 1-tail and 2-tail probability. Okay. Now effect size. This one covers hierarchical multiple regression, student t-test. So hierarchical multiple regression. So 0.4, 0.5. So this is what we get, f square. And multiple regression, here we, okay, so student t-test. So we 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we get. Okay. Then error function, say 0.6. Okay. Gamma function, we cover gamma function, incomplete gamma function, the gamma function complemented, incomplete gamma function, lower limits of integration, incomplete gamma function, upper limits of integration. So gamma function, okay, incomplete gamma function, okay, so gamma function complemented 0.7, okay, incomplete gamma function, lower limits of integration, incomplete gamma function, upper limits of integration. So we cover gamma function. So now probability. Here we cover CDF, cumulative distribution function, PDA, probability of distribution function, p-value. In p-value it covers both p-value and inverse p-values. Fisher F distribution, say 0.4, say 3 and 4. Let's see, this is what it is. Normal distribution, so 0.2, mean is 0.5, 0.6, and this is it. And standard normal distribution 0.4, and student t-test 0.4, Paul, okay, PDF, so chi-square 0.5, 4, 3, 4, 0.4, standard normal, student t-test 0.7, it has to be 4. Okay, so we cover PDF. So now let's take a look at the p-value. So chi-square test, correlation coefficient, Fisher's F test, Fisher's exact test, normal curve cumulative, 1-tail, 2-tail, significance of mediation, student's t-test, inverse chi-square test, inverse Fisher F test, inverse normal curve cumulative, 1-tail, 2-tail. Okay, so start with chi-square 0.4. Okay, correlation coefficient 0.7, 0.3, 0.6. Okay, 2. Okay, so Fisher F test, so 0.5, 3, sorry, 2, 4. This is what we get. Fisher's exact test, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the value. So now normal curve cumulative, G square 0.5. So this is the cumulative, and 1-tail 0.7. Okay, 2-tail. Okay, significance and mediation. 0.5, 0.4, 0.7, 0.2. Okay, these are the various results. So now student D test 0.4, 5, 4. Okay, that's the data value. Okay, inverse chi-square test 0.5, 3. Okay, Fisher F test 0.5, 3, 4. Okay, inverse 1 tell 2 tell, so 0.4. Okay, so we covered probability. Now let's talk about regression. Multiple regression. So y, and then we enter the x values, 1x, 2. So this has two variables, and now say 4, 1, minus 1, and we'll add one more point, 3, 9, and 1, 3 is another 1. So we calculate. So this is the multiple regression. So multiple regression from a file. So st, hit return, and that gives you the result. Simple regression. Let's 0.7, 3. That's one data point. We added 2, 1. Okay, 4.7. Okay, so now calculate. So this gave us the regression, simple regression summary. So now this is the chart. So we say x value is 0.7. So what is the y value? Okay, that's simple regression from a file. So this is the data value, this is the chart. Okay, so now solver. This is both a postfix calculator and a polynomial solver. This is the coefficient, this is another coefficient, and this is another coefficient, and let us add a negative number also. So that is a coefficient, that is the polynomial. So what is f? This is the root of the polynomial. This is fx equals c. Okay, the rest, this is a postfix calculator. Summary statistics. Summary statistics, we can from the data we can enter the data, say 1 is 1, 2, 3, minus 9. So we calculate. Okay, so we can also upload a file and process the file. Let's see. Okay, this is it. So with this we covered the functionality of Mobile Statistics Professor Android application. Not only this one covers the college and MBA level statistics, it also has a built-in infix calculator and a postfix calculator plus solver to assist with a lot of calculations. I hope you find this application useful. To find out more about this app and other great apps, please visit businesscompassllc.com. Thank you very much.